I'm actually very excited to welcome you to the future of reporting that goes by the name of Whatagraph IQ, where creating good-looking, comprehensive reports is as easy as asking a very simple question. And in this demo, I'll show you how IQ helps agencies go from blank canvas to complete insightful reports in a rather short time. We can start with actually creating an entire report from scratch. All we need to do is select a source, use any of the suggested options, or simply type in a prompt manually. So instead of dragging widgets, you just had to type in a sentence or two of what you wanted exactly. And there it is. IQ built a structure, pulled the right metrics, applied filters if necessary, and you got to this report in what, just a couple of seconds, right? And if you need to make any changes, click on the widget, type in what they are, and you'll see them reflected in the report almost immediately. What if you need to add more information or get more granular with the data? You can add an entire tab, just select a source, choose any of the preset prompts we have or type yours in, and once again, you will see a full tab ready to go in just a couple of seconds. Talking about granularity, you can actually build individual widgets using the AI. Use any of the preset options or type in your prompt manually, and once again, a couple of seconds and your entire report should be done and ready. Whatagraph IQ helped you to build out this report in just a couple of seconds, but we know that reports need to be pretty, and IQ can help with that as well. You can either enhance existing themes or create entirely new ones by entering custom prompts. If you're not entirely sure what prompt to type in, you can either select the color in there manually or upload an entire image or an icon or anything for the IQ to use as inspiration to actually color the report, its background, widget background, lines, and etc. Yet if any edits are needed, you can still make them in here. I know that sometimes, no matter how hard you try, the report doesn't have all the answers you need. And this is where IQ Chat comes in. You can ask IQ Chat questions about your data inside the report, data outside of the report. You can ask very generic questions, or you can get very detailed with it and ask for suggestions and recommendations. So it's entirely up to you. For the sake of the reporting period, treat this like your personal assistant who will get you answers delivered quickly and provide you with the missing context. Speaking of missing context, another thing that can definitely help you prevent that from happening is using a text widget. A text widget also has IQ inside of it. So say goodbye to typing things manually and say hi to actually using IQ to generate insights. I strongly believe that this can definitely help to tell the story behind your data and not only help the end report reader with the missing context, but also help for you as the report creator to understand what's going on and what potential actions could be taken. If your team manages bigger reporting volumes or more complex client needs and you might not have the time to even add your own insights to those comments, right? You can fully automate this process with the IQ Plus and actually scale your reporting process really easily. When the report date changes, IQ Plus keeps your summaries up to date. That means the insights are very proactive and you don't need to manually rewrite them. If there is ever a need to do so, you can disable this option and still make your custom edits to the actual text generated by IQ. Speaking of scalability, it would be pretty cool if there was something to help you standardize and categorize your data. And this is a pain that I definitely had working at an agency where there were a lot of active campaigns and they didn't have categories. Just tell IQ Plus what you want to group those campaigns by, give a couple of examples, or be as generic as you want. And it can actually show you a preview on the right hand side and group the campaigns based on what you asked. And it's not limited to campaigns, it's limited to any dimension that you can get your hands on. This example is just the tip of the iceberg, but the idea is that you can standardize and normalize your data without the manual effort. So, just a final word. With Whatagraph IQ, you can build, style, and understand reports in seconds, right? Freeing your team to focus on strategy and not doing things manually.